How to fix call ended problem on Android. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you are facing the call ended problem on Android. So if you're trying to call anyone on your Android device, but the call keeps disconnecting or ending right away, then there might be some problem with your service. So the first thing you need to do is check if your service is activated or not, or if it's enabled or not. For that, open up your phone's dialer and then simply dial in *31 and hash, then call this. And as you can see, it will hide your outgoing caller ID and the service was enabled. Now you can try to call someone again and see if it fixes the problem. If it's not fixing the problem, then you are going to type in another code here. Type in #31 and then hash again, and then call this. And as you can see, the service has been disabled. It will hide your outgoing caller ID, but the service has been disabled. Now check which one works for you. So either one of those should work. And once you do that, just give your phone a quick restart and then you can start calling normally again. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.